and this is WA. Oh shit. Oh, I think that's why it says pump me slowly. I obviously got a bit excited. But yeah guys, what do you think of the final look? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is all about a B.COSMETICS. So I got sent some items through the post and I wanted to create a look. I went to an event with Superdrug the other day and it was all about empowering different shades of beauty, and I saw a lot of B products there and I wanted to test and try them out. What I love about this brand, it is vegan and cruelty free, so you don't really feel bad about wearing the products because you know you're helping the environment and you know you're not being cruelty to anyone around you. So I really want to see more about their products and see if it was worth it. But before we get into the video and you see how I created this look, why not hit the subscribe button? I do videos on Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Sundays, and I'd love it if you would join me. So have you hit that subscribe button yet? You have? Okay, let's get into the video. Okay, first things first, I'm gonna start off with their priming souffle. So I've just moisturized my face. Okay, so I'm just gonna work some of this in to my skin just to create a smoother matte finish, and it actually does feel like souffle. It feels so soft. So I'm literally just taking a little bit and just working that in to my skin. And then I'm going to go in with their Flawless Silk Foundation. I've got the colour in C9 and WA, and I'm just going to mix the two. I'm just going to quickly show you C9. I love how my skin feels. It feels so soft from that souffle primer. Oh, it's actually like a little pump. How cute is that? Normally you have to like buy the pump. That is so cute. So this is C9. So they're still working on their colours, you know. So due to this, I still have to mix the colours. And with the pump, it does say on the lid, pump me slowly. And this is WA. Oh, shit. Oh, I think that's why it says pump me slowly. I obviously got a bit excited. So yeah, that's the colour there. So I'm just going to blend that all in with their finishing brush. This is the B range beauty tools, which have been developed and designed by makeup artists to recreate professional looks. And I'm just going to mix the two together and then work that all in. Sorry, no, I don't know why sometimes I go in with brushes. For me, brushes don't work at all. So I'm just going to go in with their beauty blender. Honestly, I'm not too sure about the foundation because I know it's meant to be silky, but I'm feeling very dewy with this foundation. So just to mattify that all off, I'm going in with my MAC Mineralized Powder. I'm taking my Chanel Kabuki brush and I'm just going to mattify that all out. So moving on to my eyebrows, I'm taking their Sculpt and Highlight Contour Kit. And I'm just going to brush out my eyebrows with my Spectrum A24 brush. Absolutely love this brush. And then I'm taking the other side and dipping it into the lighter conceal kit just to conceal my eyebrows. This conceal kit is in number 2, medium to dark. And I'm just putting the powder just underneath my eyebrows just to conceal everything. Still need to do my eyebrows. My eyebrow girl is sick. I don't know, everyday sickness with these eyebrow people. And I'm just taking my beauty blender just to blend that concealer in. And then just to set my eyebrows, I'm taking the high definition brow gel and just setting my eyebrows. Okay, it is time to get my eyeshadow popping. So they've given me these pigment colours, and the colour I'm going to go in with Ziggy on the top of my eye and then Olive in La Vida Loca. So let's go in with Ziggy. So when I was at the Superdrug event, I was with the makeup artist, Cassie Lomas, and she just told me just to spray my eyeshadow brush just a little bit, just to kind of wet it, because the pigments sit so much nicer when they're wet. So what I'm doing is just tapping some lightly on the back of my hand, and then I'm going to work my way in with that pigment. And it's literally such a glowing bronze colour, but it's so true to its name. Like, it's actually really pigmented. Like, it's actually really pigmented on the eye. I love the colour. I hope you guys can see the colour. It's gorgeous, like a bronze colour. Yeah, I love how pigmented this eye colour is. Like, look how rich in colour it is. It's like a nice bronze glow. So I'm just going to go underneath with that green olive colour. So again, what I want to do is put it on the back of my hand, just dampening my brush with some setting spray and then picking that pigment with my brush. Just to make sure that that all sits okay, I'm taking my Real Techniques crease blending brush just to blend that all in. Okay, now I'm going to take my B flat contour brush and just go in with that contour kit again, just to contour my face. And I love this brush because it is a flat contour brush, so it just really gets in the areas easily with no hassle, no fuss. Okay, so I finished my look. So what I'm going to do is just use their setting spray just to cool down my face. And this aids to just set everything in place and minimize shine, and that is what I need because lately my face has literally been shining, and not in a good way. Like, there's a difference between glowing and shining. But yeah guys, what do you think of the final look? But that's all I have time for. So if you like this video, remember to give it a like. If you think anyone could benefit from this video, I'll be happy for you to share this video. Why not share it? As always, you can follow me on my social media platforms. I'll leave the list down below. I'll also leave the list down below of all the products so you can get them. But I guess I'll see you in another video. And remember to always stay, what? Bougie.